Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Oil refiners in Asia's economic powerhouses aren't snapping up extra crude, even with prices below $100 a barrel as inflation bites. COVID-19 lockdowns in China and cheap US crude have also steered Asia away from Middle Eastern oil. Wall Street capped a choppy week of trading with a broad stock market rally, as the S&P 500 notched its fourth consecutive weekly gain. The benchmark index closed 1.7% higher for a 3.3% weekly gain. The dollar rallied but was set for a weekly drop as traders weighed improving US inflation data against comments from Federal Reserve officials who cautioned the battle against rising prices was far from over. The pound dropped 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin drop 0.7% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the euro fall 0.5% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 2.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The US NAHB Housing Market Index will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. Finland's Consumer Price Index at 0500 hours GMT. Germany's Wholesale Price Index will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's Industrial Production at 0430 GMT. Japan's Capacity Utilization at 0430 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.